Okay, let's see. Mm-hmm. Okay, looks like we're live. Um, hey guys, look, I figured it out. Finally, I figured out how to do this whole YouTube streaming thing. Just needed OBS software, so now we are live. I hope you guys can hear me, whoever is going to be watching right now. And let me show you now what's going on. And so, if you guys are just joining me, we are now looking at Bitcoin, which is now trading at 47,646. Um, I mean, this is not great. If you were in just like 2 hours ago, BTC was still at 54,000, and then rapidly from that time, it just started really going down. It was 48, 49, about 30 minutes ago. Now we are like 47,000, and a lot of people are freaking out about this. I'm relatively new to crypto. In fact, I got in during the first crash of this year, which was around June, April, something like that. Not very familiar, but right now this is pretty bad, even for me. And I'm basically a degenerate in crypto, if you guys are not familiar with it. For all my other YouTube shorts, I have been buying like garbage coins, and I am down a lot. Like, some of the other videos I've been showing you guys, like for example, JoJo. You guys may have seen some of my shorts if you look over here. I got in. Wait, where was I? Excuse me. Yeah, I got in here. And so I'm still okay considering I'm still up by like 5 to 6x over here. But this is pretty bad. Most of my crypto is staked. So I mean, I'm still earning passive income on this. Another thing that I am really, really into is this Yushi thing, and that's also pretty bad. From its all-time high, just like a few weeks ago, where we were like, if you got in at the all-time high, then I am sorry you guys are gonna be forced to hodl for a while, because we were all the way up here. Yeah, and now it's like it's half of that. So whoever bought in here at the top, your guys are down by like 50%. I would like to state that if you guys were, what was the word I'm looking for? If you guys got in here, then you're still fine. You're still up by like 5x. Um, I know that if you guys watch my channel, if you're fans of the channel, then you would have gotten in around here. And there is still a lot of utility being built on these things, but I mean, let's be honest, the market is really down right now. In fact, I have one degen pick, like one really, really bad pick. I have a ton of coins, but I have one pick where I am super down. And, you know, if this was Wall Street Bets, you guys would probably be calling this like lost porn at this point. This is dinosaur eggs, right? And I like the project, but oh my god, look at this price. For reference, just so you guys can laugh at me to see how bad I am of a degenerate, I got in over here, and I thought that this was the greatest time to get in, like $1. Wait, we were touching $3. Amazing. This is a very new project. I mean, in the space of crypto, this is like less than 2 months old. So, I thought this was amazing. I thought that this was, you know, we'd come back, and I got in around here. And now, if you guys look at the price, it's this. I mean, I've lost like more than 90% of my value, and that's just the thing when you're going into degenerate coins and you're going into ultra garbage, micro cap, nano cap coins over here. So that's how bad it is. Um, well, not really. There's no one really on the stream right now, so I'm just gonna keep talking like the idiot that I am. However, let's keep going. Okay, so here's one thing I figured. 47. If it breaks 45, and it doesn't come back, I'm screwed. But I don't think it's gonna break 45. I could be wrong. I mean, we could be going back all the way down to like 28 if this follows the same thing as what happened in June. I mean, let's be honest. If we click over here in the Bitcoin charts and we look at the data, there were two all-time highs where it went all the way to nothing, and that seems to be what's happening here. So if you guys were here, and this is, when was this? No, 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 no. No, that's not what I want to show. Yeah, here. Nope, 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 nope. Over here. Here we go. Here we go. So 63,000. It's higher in other exchanges. So if you guys were here, then you had to wait for a while. So what was this? Yeah, this is April when it crashed. All-time high was in April, then it crashed all the way, and we just watched it go all the way down, all the way here to 30,000. And I'm not really, I mean, for reference, I don't hold any Bitcoin. I'm just all into alts because if you guys are not aware, this is the third world. I live in the Philippines, so Bitcoin, I mean, there's no gains to be made from it. If you're making, like over here in this country, minimum wage is basically like $10 a day, not an hour. Like this 8 hours, so it's like, what's the math on that? Less than $1 an hour. So most of us over here would not be buying Bitcoin or any of the other top coins unless we're already rich. So me, basically, I'm a crypto degen. But what I want to show on this chart over here is if you got in here, you had to wait a while and it went all the way back down here. And it seems to be doing the same thing again. Again, I mean, these are just charts. Nobody can really tell what's going to happen. I mean, we could be going back all the way down here, or we could be going to like the 90, 100k Bitcoin that everyone's calling. Um, I don't really know. If I still had money, I would be buying right now. Unfortunately, I am broke. All of my money is locked in away. Um, so, my recommendation, if you guys are pretty new here, then you should be aware that the whales control the market. And if you sell right now, you'd be basically selling at a loss. Because the markets will recover. But, well, just based on, I didn't experience it myself, but based on what most people say, we could be looking at what happened instead of looking at what happened here, right, where we went down and we went back up again. There's a very high possibility that we might be doing this instead, like what happened back here in 2017. I was not around for this, but so it went up and then went up and then it just dead got bounced all the way down. Then people had to wait like 3 years, and they had nothing. They had no money. So you'd be, if it's money you need and you're hoping to make money with it, this is a very risky time for you to be putting money in the market. However, if you have some savings that you want to throw away, you don't really need it immediately, this is a good time to buy. I mean, it could go all the way down to 30, but at 47 right now, this is like 20% off from where it was. No, more, like 30%, 33%, from when this was up to 69,000. So it might be a good time to get into the market right now, but I have no idea. I'm talking out of my ass. Like you guys know, most of my holdings are down. Luckily, or maybe not lucky at all, I have a very, very huge bag in Cardano. And, well, actually, I had a huge bag of Cardano. I haven't sold any Cardano, except, I did sell it for a bunch of useless Cardano NFTs. I don't want to show you guys what my address is, but basically, I had like 1,000 ADA. Now I have like less than 80 ADA, and I have like 90 NFTs. So, I mean, if any of those never recovered, then I basically threw money away. But I think that the NFT market for Cardano still has a long way to go. If we go over to Twitter, I'm pretty sure some people are freaking out. Like for example, oh here we go, like Hosky Token. You guys might have been new to this channel. You got in because Hosky Token is a waste of time. It is stupid degen garbage. But you know what? When you reach my level of degeneracy, you just don't care. You're gonna buy Hosky Token. You're gonna buy these. What is this? Look, it's a rabbit. It's Bugs Bunny. I don't even know what's going on here. Yeah, see, we still got dinosaur eggs. I've lost so much money in this. Weirdly, I am just dollar cost averaging into dinosaur eggs. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I really hope and I believe that it's gonna go 30x once we leave the what appears to be the bear market. So I'm hoping that my stupid dinosaur eggs will hit like $6 by next year. But there's a very high chance I'm wrong, and I might have just thrown away my life savings. But hey, nonetheless, ADA NFTs are all the rage right now. Maybe a lot of people are ignoring it, but if you want to get into the NFT space, you want to avoid the whole Ethereum gas fees, then I would say like this is a very good time to get ADA. If I had some money, I would be getting it right now. Although I don't really keep ADA, I mostly just keep a lot of NFTs because I think that space is going to recover, and the people that are currently in Ethereum, Solana, and the other chains, I don't know. I want to believe that probably a lot of people are going to be getting into ADA NFTs because it's it's cheap enough that you can move it around, and if ADA goes up like another 20x hopefully by 2022, where I'm not wrong, we don't have to wait like 4 years, and maybe it's going to be some pretty good gains for you guys. Or maybe you just want to hold it because smart contracts just came out in September, and I love Hosky Token. I'm probably gonna have to do like a psychology analysis for this. If you guys aren't familiar with me or you've never followed me before, prior to languages, I was giving psychology talks, which no one was really watching. But I am a psych major, so there should be a study on how stupid we are, not just the people. I mean, that are buying this. Why are we buying this? It's so dumb. But it's kind of like the joke, so I'm into that. And yeah. Well, anyway, it's my first live stream, so oh my god, like just keeps going down. So I'm just here for you guys. I don't know if this is actually going to go anywhere. I mean, there's a good chance nobody is going to watch this. At the same time, there is a very good chance we might be going back to 30. But again, just from somebody that was I got in April during the all-time high, and I was able to make a little bit of profit this year. In fact, with the exception of dinosaur eggs, I guess I'd be like up 20% maybe, considering I hold like 100 different coins. I mean, they do say diversify, so I went all in on diversifying, and I have coins from almost every all of these. But hey, there you go. From my experience, now would be a good time to get in if you're hesitating. It's when it's dipping this badly. That's when you want to get in. That's just me though, because I experienced the first half of this year where when it went this low, it went, you know, instant times two if you were in Bitcoin, and if anything else would have gone like 5 to 10x. If you have stupid degen coins, the nano caps, then you would be looking at least 100x. So yeah, hey, you know what? Do whatever you want, but that's just me. This is to commemorate what appears to be the second market crash of 2021. What a fun year. And I'm going to end the stream with that. We're going to see. Maybe next time we'll have a much better stream for you guys. So, yeah. Catch you later, guys.